Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the TCU fuses are located, you have 4 of them in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the TCU fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You have multiple fuse boxes. Today we work in 2. The first one is under the hood. Open the hood, and here guys, okay, you see on the driver's side that cover that looks like a T. Remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the TCU we need to check, by the way, 2 fuses in this fuse box, 2 in another one. Make sure to stay until the end. Coming in that row here, you need to check fuse number, that's 18, 19, 20, 21, fuse number 21. Then you need to check fuse number 23, these 2 fuses. Next you need to come on the driver's side. You see under the steering wheel guys, you have that cover, okay, it attaches with 4 clips, 2 on this side, 1 here, 1 there, 2 like that on the other side of the steering wheel. You pull that thing from up down, opens kind of like on a hinge. Behind it on the left side you have another fuse box all the way under the dash that looks like this one. Here we need to check another fuse guys. You wonder which one. Those fuses are a little bit confusing. Here they go, because you have double fuses here guys, but if you look now, you have, that's fuse 7, 9, 11, 13. So that's fuse number 12 and 13 right here guys. The numbers will be next to them. Number 12 is that one. So that's you need to check. And then you need to check fuse number 19. It's that double fuse right here. It's that portion of it here guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.